Hello, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Wiboon Trakulhun. Today, I would like to present three of my musical compositions within either Cosmos 20 piece for piano, which is under the creative research project of either Cosmos piano music compositions for analysis. The creative research was granted funding from the Thailand Research Fund and National Research Council of Thailand in 2015. I had composed each piece of this music composition using compositional techniques and concepts in the 20th century, including common techniques or unique concepts of important composer. At first, I would like to thank Langsit University, especially Research Institute, that give me an opportunity of presenting my works at ISU International Research Conference 2020. At this conference, I will talk about my three compositions. Therefore, I will have three clips for presenting. The creative research project was presented as a lecture recital that was premiered on August 31st, 2016 at Auditorium Building number 11, Langsit University. Either Cosmos number 8 that I am presenting was performed by Assistant Professor Dr. Pimchanok Suwanthada. The title of this piece is Elliott Carter Matrix Modulation in Either Cosmos number 8. Either Cosmos number 8 contains compositional concept of Elliott Carter, especially his highly individual approach to rhythm. The piece presents balance and simple melody. Moreover, its harmonic progression is also under functional harmony, which imitate music composition approach of the classical era. Therefore, the musical system of this piece strongly belongs to tonality. However, within the balance and simplicity, this piece applies tempo as pitch materials, especially tempo modulation or metric modulation, which is the technique of shifting tempo and time signature. The length of this piece is about 1 minute and 25 seconds long. There is only one theme on its structure that appears 3 times or 3 sections. The parallel period of section A1 is under simple time signature 4/4, with the tempo quarter note equal 108. This section applies normal notes until the first transition. Then 8 note triplets are applied instead. After that, at the last segment of the first transition, time signature is changed to 6/8. Moreover, at measure 17 to 18, two time signatures are applied at the same time, which are 6/8 and 3/4, using polymeter approach. The right hand melodic line is compound 6/8, whereas left hand horizontal harmony is simple time 3/4. Variation technique is used while coming off section A2. This is because the melody remains the same, but the polymeter approach is still continued from the first transition. The tempo becomes normal again in the second transition using compound 6/8 time signature by means of playing scale at the first transition. In section A3, the melody and harmony remain the same, but the length is longer by repeat the whole second phase. However, in the last part of section A3, the time signature is changed to 4/4, but a new and faster tempo is applied at E quarter note equal 162, whereas the last part of codetta apply playing scale and vertical harmony. Please listen to and enjoy my music. Conclusion. This piece, I intend to use only one theme in order to the audience could compare difference between tempo in section 1A, A1 and A3, while the melody is continued together with changing its tempo. The composer applied a group of rhythmic fragments as a group of common note value and shifts between simple and compound time signature. Therefore, the audience can feel the simple tempo or perhaps cannot feel any change of tempo within the melody. The concept of metric modulation applies more specifically to change tempo to another. In some cases, a note value from the first equal to a note value in the second, but other cases, a note value in the first tempo equal to different note value in the second tempo. However, both cases usually have a common note value served as a bridge or transition between two tempos. Moreover, metric modulation directly involves the change of time signature or meter, simple time, and compound time, including complex time. Sometimes it may use triplet or quadruplet, especially using of polyrhythm and or polymeter. This element can make the first tempo smoothly turn into the next tempo. The term modulation reminds of familiar term using in analysis of common practice, which is melody and or harmony usually serve as the bridge between two keys. Therefore, both functions are similar but different in situation for distinguished condition of. Thank you.